Barracuda is known for its firm texture and bold flavor, making it a perfect choice for kinilaw, a dish that celebrates freshness above all else. When prepared immediately after the catch, the fish retains its natural sweetness and structure, creating a satisfying bite. In this preparation, slices of barracuda are combined with vinegar, calamansi, chili, and aromatic ingredients that enhance its flavor while gently currying the meat. The result is a vibrant, tangy dish that reflects the essence of coastal cuisine. Paired with tuba, a traditional coconut wine, the meal becomes more than just food. It becomes a shared experience, a moment of gathering, flavor, and connection. This is sea-to-stomach living at its finest, fresh catch, simple preparation, and the joy of enjoying it together in nature.
Hilaw na naman mga kadabs, hilaw. Hilaw na barakuda. Lagi tuba dito. Waiting na lang tuba. Waiting na. Hilaw. Ayos. Tao ta. Mga kadabs. Kain po. Bau. Ayan mo yan. Ayan, coba. Tagay para sa tagumpay. Tagay para sa tagumpay. Tuba mga jobs. Diyan kayo gusto na. Pagkasarap. Tuba-tuba sa mga kajabs. Way budget. Crazy kayong panahon. Namit. Hello. Dali. Nilatan nyo. Coba. Dali, gila ta. Kuya, ito himagas kayo tuba yun. Okay daw. Lami kinig uno ding kuan, barakuda. Ba. Shot. Kalami ay. Lutan. Gana kayong kaon mga kadab sa sanay. Tuba. Silaw.